In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download a sales report in Zoho Books step by step. If you manage invoices, track revenue, or analyze customer sales in Zoho Books, downloading reports is one of the most useful features you can learn. Sales reports help you understand how your business is performing, which customers are generating the most revenue, which products are selling the most, and how your sales team is performing. The good news is Zoho Books makes it very simple to generate and export these reports in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through where to find the reports section, how to choose the right sales report, and how to export it in formats like PDF, Excel, or CSV, depending on what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to download your sales reports quickly and use them for analysis, sharing, or record keeping. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials and business software guides. Now, let's jump right into Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open your dashboard. Once you're inside the main interface, look at the left side of the screen where you'll see the navigation menu. This sidebar contains different sections like sales, purchases, banking, accountant, and reports. What we want to do here is click on Reports. Go ahead and click the Reports option in the left sidebar. After clicking Reports, Zoho Books will open the full Reports dashboard. This page contains a wide range of financial and business reports, including receivables, payables, taxes, inventory reports, and, of course, sales reports. Since we want to download a sales report, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Sales. Inside the Sales section, you'll see several different report options. Each one gives you a different way to analyze your sales data. For example, you may see reports like Sales by Customer, Sales by Item, and Sales by Salesperson. Sales by Customer helps you see which customers are generating the most revenue. Sales by Item shows which products or services are selling the most. And Sales by Salesperson lets you track performance if you have multiple sales representatives. Choose the report that best fits the information you want to analyze. For this example, you can click on Sales by Customer, but the download process works the same for any sales report. Once you click the report, Zoho Books will generate the report and display the data on your screen. At the top of the report, you can usually adjust filters, such as the date range, customer filters, or other parameters depending on the report type. If you want to download a report for a specific month, quarter, or year, make sure to set the correct date range before exporting. After confirming that the report data looks correct, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Export As button. This is the option that allows you to download the report to your computer. Click on Export As and Zoho Books will show you a few different file format options. The first option is PDF. This is perfect if you want a clean report that you can print, send to clients, or email to your accountant. The next option is XLS or XLSX, which opens in Microsoft Excel or similar spreadsheet tools. This format is ideal if you want to perform calculations, create charts, or analyze the data further. Another option is CSV, which is a universal spreadsheet format that works well if you want to import the data into other software or systems. Simply choose the format that best fits your needs. After selecting your preferred format, Zoho Books will automatically download the report to your computer. You can then open the file, share it with your team, send it to stakeholders, or keep it for financial records and reporting. And that's how easy it is to download a sales report in Zoho Books. Just go to Reports, scroll to the Sales section, choose the report you want, and use the Export As button to download it in your preferred format. If this video helped you learn how to download sales reports in Zoho Books, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting software guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.